Dubai, located in the United Arab Emirates, is a city known for its breathtaking scenery, dynamic tourism industry, and luxurious travel experiences. One of the fastest-growing cities in the world, Dubai has become a global center for business, innovation, and tourism. The city of Dubai offers a unique blend of traditional Arabian culture and modern architecture. From iconic high-rise buildings such as the Burj Khalifa to man-made islands such as the Palm Jumeirah, the panorama of Dubai is an impressive sight. Dubai has established itself as a leading tourist destination, attracting millions of visitors every year. Luxury hotels, world-class shopping malls, and pristine beaches offer travelers an unparalleled experience. The city's tourism industry continues to thrive with various attractions and activities to suit every taste. From desert safaris to skiing at Ski Dubai, there is something for everyone in this cosmopolitan city. Whether you are interested in luxury shopping at Dubai Mall or adrenaline-pumping adventures at theme parks such as IMG Worlds of Adventure or Aquaventure Water Park, Dubai promises an unforgettable journey filled with excitement and wonder. Travelers often rave about their experiences in Dubai, praising its hospitality and diverse cuisine. The city's multicultural environment ensures that visitors can enjoy cuisines from around the world, as well as savor traditional Emirati dishes. To summarize, the city of Dubai is a perfect blend of modernity and tradition. Its breathtaking scenery combined with a thriving tourism industry make it an ideal destination for travelers looking for an extraordinary experience.